Hello students, today we are going to discuss about the concept of genes. Until the discovery of Mendel in up to the 1866, there it is no one, anyone can't know what is the specific factor responsible for the hereditary and variations. But according to the Mendel, we now know that the specific types of the hereditary and variations is because of the factor. But until 1909, up to the discovery of W. Johnson, the no one can't know the concept of gene, or can't know the specific fact which factor is responsible for the hereditary and variations. Only the all of this they have to called as a factor, but first time Johnson called as a gene. Also, the year Garrod proposed the one gene, one product hypothesis in 1908. Gene theory was proposed by J.T.M. Morgan in 1911. And also, the L. Pauling and Ingram in 1949 established the role of genes in the protein synthesis. And also, before that, the specific types of the Griptid, they have to told the discovery of they have to told the specific types of the factor responsible for the transfer of information or hereditary and variations in 1928. Also, Ivory, MacLeod and McCarthy, they have to discover they have research the Griptid's experiment further. And also in 1953, Hershey Chase, they have to prove the specific factor. They will be transferred from the one cell to the next cell, or the specific factor responsible for the hereditary and variation, that is the DNA. But until the discovery of Watson, Crick, Wilkin and Franklin, that is a double-stranded DNA helix, then anyone can't know the specific structure of DNA. But because of the discovery of Watson, Crick, Wilkin and Franklin in 1953, they have know the specific double-stranded structure of DNA, and after that the many more discoveries will be carried out by the different scientists. The in Also in 1948, the specific GW Biddle and Tatum, they have to discover the one gene one enzyme hypothesis. And also Seymour Benzer, they have to propose the fine structure of gene in 1962. But number of discoveries are they can take the speed in and after the 1953. The also Ivanovsky in 1965 proposed the one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis. Also, the gene concept was given by Sutton. So, what is the gene? What is the role of gene, and which segment it is called as a gene? Into the structure, here know that the specific, it is a fragment, DNA fragment. It is a linear chain of the nucleotides. Into that, it is a specific fragment. They will be responsible for the hereditary and variation, or it is a fragment of genome. It is called as a gene. It is also known as a structural and functional unit of genome, is called as a gene. Structural and functional unit of the genome is called as a gene. And also the summary of evolution of gene concept. It is a summarized report of concept of gene. In 1866, that is a George Johann Mendel. They have to discover the unit factor that controls the specific phenotype trait. 1922, Sir E. I. Garrod, one gene, one metabolic block theory. 1940, Biddle Tatum, one enzyme, one gene, one enzyme hypothesis. In 1956, Ingram, one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis. In 1960, C. Ivanovsky and co-workers, they have to told the gene is a unit of recombination. And also the into that discovery, it is one of the milestone in case of the gene. That is in case of in 1953, the Watson, Crick, Wilkin and Franklin, they have to discover the structure of gene. It is a DNA double helix, and after that the many more discoveries will be carried out. So definitions of the gene. So gene, it is a genetics what the atom is to chemistry. Genetics is genetics. Genetics is exact or detailed structure, detailed study of the gene. So gene is a unit of genetic information that controls the specific aspect of phenotype. Yes. Also Mendel told that the change in genotype then and then change into the phenotype. Without change into the genotype, no any change into the phenotype. So it is clear that if the any specific change is required into the phenotype, it is must to change into the genotype. So the gene is a unit of genetic information that controls a specific aspect of phenotype. The gene Then next one, the gene is a unit of genetic information that specifies the synthesis of one polypeptide. Is that clear? The specific types of the genes, they have ability to synthesize the RNA, and RNA they get translate into the proteins. So the specific gene, they have property to convert it into the proteins. So into that specific structure here, we have to show that it is a cell into that it is one of the eukaryotic cell, then nucleus, then chromosome. These chromosomes that consist the number of genes and these genes are made up of linear chain of nucleotides. It is a gene. This gene that converts into the protein. So gene, it is a specific, they have ability to convert into the protein. But after the discovery of Biddle and Tatum, and also the Jacob and Monod, the specific one gene, one polypeptide, one enzyme, one gene, one polypeptide hypothesis, and according to this, the specific types of the, and after that the gene is replaced, the gene, it is a word replaced by cystone. That is a one cystone one polypeptide hypothesis. So cystone, the specific types of the, it is a factor or it is a fragment of gene. Cystone, it is a fragment of gene, the ability to replicate, transcript and translate. So this specific fragment of gene, it is a cystone, and into the hypothesis it is clear that one cystone one polypeptide hypothesis. Then into the next, the specific, the gene are the fraction or part of DNA molecule which is regarded as a genetic material. And T.M. Morgan proposed that the gene theory, which states that the chromosomes are bearers of hereditary units and each chromosome carries hundreds or thousands of genes. The chromosomes, they carry the thousands of genes. The number of genes, they can come together and form a genome. So chromosome, it consists the number of genes. The genes that are arranged on the chromosomes in the linear order on the spatial regions of or locus. Spatial region or locus. Then it is a chromosome, nucleus, chromosome. These are the nucleosomes, histone proteins plus nucleotides, and then the specific fragment, that is a gene. Gene, they get converts into the protein. Either the specific types of protein, these are synthesized by the specific genes. It is a one histone, one polypeptide hypothesis. So the genes are both basic functional unit and the smallest genetic structural unit. Until 1940, the genes was considered as a basic unit of genetic information as defined by the following criteria. These are the unit of functioning controlling the inheritance of one character or phenotypic attribute, and also the unit of structure operationally defined by the recombination and by mutation. So the genes, these are variable types of genes. Also the specific muton, recon, specific they have ability to mutation, these are the mutons, ability to recombination, these are the recon, cystone, they have ability to replication, transcription and translation. Also the compleon, that is they will be responsible for the complementation. So these are the variable types of genes, but basic structural unit or basic fact regarding to the these all of these recon, muton and all, this is a basic structure, a basic unit or basic structural and functional unit, that is a gene. So into the present lecture we have to discuss only regarding to the genes. Into the next lecture we will be discuss on the specific types of the muton, recon and all of this, the specific concepts. So thank you.